Hello.
Hi everyone. Everyone's been doing Nigerian tags, so we decided to do our own. This is my sister, and we're just gonna get right into it now, okay? Right. So the first question: what's your Nigerian names?
Norma.
Nene. Okay. For anyone that's
She's got
Nigerian,
so many Nigerian names.
yeah, I've got 6 names. Okay.
I've got
Ifunanya, Uzamaka. So for anyone who's Nigerian, you probably can tell, through our names, what part of Nigeria we're from, but we're just going to carry on. Okay. Were you born in Nigeria?
Yeah. I was born in Norma here.
I
Yeah.
was born in London, actually.
Whatever.
Yeah, London. Oh my god. Okay, what's your favorite Nigerian movie?
Do I have one? Oh, Blackbird.
Is it Blackberry Girls? Oh, really? Everyone
Yeah.
loves that movie. I haven't even seen it.
You've seen it?
Have I?
Have
When?
you not?
No. Well,
Oh,
they just carrying Blackberry or something.
BB girls.
My favorite one. Okay, my favorite one.
I don't know.
I have quite a few good ones.
She
maybe
watched a lot.
maybe
of
old
Nigerian
school
movies.
one like Violated or something. I don't know if you guys. remember
Yeah,
that. That
Living
was
in
really nice.
Bondage.
Yeah, those ones. Yeah. What's your favorite Nigerian song? Sing it and not add background.
Flavor. Nabanya or I show.
Yeah, sing it and not add flavor. Okay. So, Aladalada go.
Ife bara baba go.
Ụmụ nwanyị na-amịgharị egburugbago egburugbada baby baby fire the go all the girls don't kolo.
One song.
What's your favorite Nigerian food?
Oh, yam. Anything yam. Fried,
Fried yam,
boiled,
boiled.
mashed, whatever. You fry yam.
Mine is rice, jollof rice and plantain. All Nigerian food, man. To be fair.
All of egusi, ogbonna.
When was the last time you went to Nigeria?
July last year, 2013.
She goes all the time. Mine was 2009, but I mean to go every year, ever.
Yeah.
Definitely, I'm going in a few months' time because it's quite easy for me to go because it was because of
She's
work.
going in a few weeks actually.
So,
But I always go
how
there.
many times have you been to Nigeria?
Oh,
Loads.
boy. I went twice last
Shitloads.
year actually.
Yeah, she goes like she can just decide next week. Oh,
I'm going.
She
Yeah.
took a time off work and she's gone.
It's very nice.
Okay, what tribe are you? I think you guys can tell already.
Igbos.
You can tell now. I mean, look at us.
We are Igbo. Ụmụnwaanyị Igbo.
Ndị Igbo. Say something in your tribal language. I know. Already.
I wụ ndị Igbo.
Obviously, I wouldn't Igbo. Ị mara ndị Igbo na-eweta ọkụ.
Na-agwa gị.
Ebe ọbụla anyị gara, anyị pụta ha na. Ị ga-ama ha. I like that. Actually, all the Nigerian tags I na-ele, nke ndị Igbo would. Number one.
Ọ dị mma.
Why are you them?
Ndị agha ha bịa taa aka gị. But I got behind you, Queen.
I got you, so I'm not your heart.
Ketekpa.
It's you. Okay. What do you like most about Nigeria?
Everything. But not the smell.
What smell? I like the smell when you
No, smell.
I know I don't like the smell, but I like it at the same time
like-
because once you land, it's like, wow.
No,
I'm
you know
home,
what I
I'm
don't
home.
like? If you're going to the toilet.
What public?
If
toilet?
you're not, especially if you're not in a city, if you're going, like, the toilet, no.
What, like public?
Like, if you're traveling from one state to another, if you want to go to the toilets, just hold your wee. Hold it. Hold everything.
Too much information. Right. I'm done.
What else?
What do you like most? What do you hate most about Nigeria? So what I like most about Nigeria, firstly, I love the culture. I love the way people, how friendly everyone is. You can just, be anywhere and start chatting to people and be like, it's almost like you've known them forever.
And everyone speaks Igbo. Or mostly everyone.
Not really.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, mostly. But it's still, you're like free.
Yeah, I know. And What do you hate most about Nigeria?
I've said it already.
What? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. So what do you like most about Nigeria? And then you talked about what
You
you
know what I
hated.
hate? I hate the fact that when I go to Nigeria, I plan all the food I'm gonna eat, everything I'm gonna try.
You end up
When I
eating
get
suya.
there, I end up drinking water and drinking meat, like ishewu, all of them.
Drinking meat.
Like, like you end up drinking and drinking and drinking, and then you're full. You don't even get to try everything.
I do suya every night.
I know. And then you don't eat all day and you wait for the suya. Chicken suya. Who actually makes
anything I want.
they make fish suya now. I don't know what that is.
What?
I don't know.
I don't want to try that one.
Suya is meat, isn't it? I don't understand the other variety, chicken and stuff.
Do you have any Nigerian nicknames?
Ne.
Yeah. Actually, they call her Nne and they call me Nne.
No.
I call her Nne as well. She goes,
I'm not Ne.
They used to call me Nekimwa.
Yeah.
Nick.
What do they call me?
Nne.
Yeah.
Nebia.
Nebia. That's it.
Nne Ngwabiano.
Ne.
just
Yeah,
Ne.
it's just Ne.
Nne. Yeah. I've asked this one already before. What makes you different from other Nigerians?
Because I'm Ne.
What makes me different is it's quite rare to find a Nigerian that can speak their language.
Yeah, properly. I don't mean like, oh, I can speak, but
I
I
can
can
hear
hear,
a
or I
bit.
can hear, I can speak.
Yeah,
I can.
So
do
we're different because
everything.
everywhere we go, we're speaking, we're
Yeah.
talking, and sometimes people like they'll
You
come
get
up
a
to
rem.
us.
You get a rem. Whatever you say, I'll understand. Don't
People
even try.
will come up to us and be like, "Oh my god, you guys!" Even like a supermarket
You
and
can.
stuff.
Oh, she said this. It's like, yeah. Oh, Simba. It's like,
Oh my god, this is like because most Igbo girls, I promise you, they can't speak for shit.
oh, they pretend they can't speak. Oh, I can't speak.
You just feel like, come on, mature.
Oh yeah.
sister."
So, what's your name? Ada. Do you speak Igbo? No. What's the point in having Ada as your name? Yeah.
Not even. Oh, they say yeah. I can understand.
But
I can say. I think it's kedu means go, doesn't it? You just feel like going. Come on.
You backhand.
Oh, sorry, my phone's just locked up.
What other?
Do you speak a language? We already did that one, haven't we? Oh, it says say. The other one was just say something in your language. But do you speak your language perfectly?
You don't have to say.
Do you
all of
speak pidgin language?
them. No.
I can try.
I speak the old school pidgin language, not the
Which
new
one's
ones.
the old school? Make you say them now.
And not so.
Not so be
Wait till they do. That's all they.
My friend, come on from here. Come on.
Exactly, but that's not how they say it now. They've gone. They talked it like it's not hip hop. like yeah.
It's like I beg,
Yeah,
make it put
no,
this thing.
No.
Make you bring them.
I won't say. I no. Mm-mm.
We
I
can
don't.
try. Work around your house. What around your house represents your culture? Us.
A lot.
And also
The food.
the food. If you open the fridge, you see what
I have kilishi there. I have akam. that represents Nigeria. I have. There's a lot of things.
the food we cook and eat.
Yeah, and most of the things I have is Nigerian anyway.
Finally, what is a ridiculous what is a ridiculous question? What ridiculous question? Not what is what ridiculous question have you been asked about your culture? Here in the UK, people aren't that ignorant. I've noticed, like in America, they do come up with
Weird
questions
questions.
like, "Do you have lions as pets?" And people tend to say, "Yes, we do."
That was when I was in high school. They said that, you guys have lions and stuff.
Yeah, we
I
have
was
them
like,
running
yeah.
around,
I
snakes
actually lied. I said we
everywhere.
have lions and tigers and stuff. I went
like
I was
literally,
in-
you'd be walking, snake will be
Yeah.
will come on,
But that's
be
true,
climbing
though.
on top of you, and then you'd be like, "Oh,
That's
hello."
green snake. That happened. It falls and you like, snake.
Hey!
And then you carry on. Remember when you're playing, the snake falls. You're like, it's green. Oh, you're okay.
So it's fallen on you before, and you were like, "Oh, fine."
No, it doesn't fall on me. It just drops in the middle of everybody playing.
I'll run.
We all run and then we come back again. Because green snakes is not poisonous. It's the brown ones that you have to be scared of.
So if you see a green snake, you're not.
Remember,
gonna run.
you saw the brown one in the village.
Yeah, I
and they
did.
walk right past in front of you. I was behind you. I ran.
Yeah, so if you see a green one, you won't run.
Not much, because I know what to do.
I will run for
They
green,
said
red,
if the green
yellow,
one,
blue.
listen, if the green one bites you, you tie your hand, you let it bleed out or whatever. You won't die. It's not that poisonous. Like the brown one, you will die.
No, I'm sorry, but this is just...
I was hoping, because like that time there were snakes everywhere, so I was hoping for a green one rather than the brown one. So I don't know about now.
Mate, she's talking about a snake. If she sees anything just lying on the road, even if it's a
That's
belt...
not. That's because I've been in this country for a long time.
That's not why. No, that's not why. Anyway, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Look out for... We're going to do a video about teaching people how to speak our language. So look out for that, especially all you girls that don't know your...
And you live in Nigeria, you don't speak Igbo. That's just messed up.
The worst thing, like, they go like, oh yeah, we were brought up in Lagos, like, there's some foreign...
There's
you know,
Igbos in Lagos.
I'm sorry.
The Yoruba speaks Yoruba anywhere, even in the zoo. Even on the ground, they speak Yoruba.
Let's forget that one there. Because French people speak French, regardless of whether they're people from Afghanistan. What they call them? They speak...
Why is Igbos different?
I don't know. Anyway, let's just say bye-bye for now, and you'll be hearing from us soon. Okay?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.